Hi everyone. This is Ahmed. I'm a full stack engineer with 6 years of professional experience. So I'm starting this Next.js tutorial series, and in this tutorial series, I'm gonna start next with Next.js tutorials from very basic, and then step by step we are gonna move toward some advanced concepts. We are gonna cover pretty much every aspect of the Next.js in this video series. So yeah, we will the some of the advanced things that we are going to cover is that server side rendering, the best practices. We will do 2 or 3 projects in this video series to get you guys hands on the Next.js. And for your better practice, I will add the git link of the code of every video in the description of that video, so you can always use that code as the reference to get along well, to understand things. And you can always ask me the questions in the comments, and I will try my best to help every single of you. Yeah, so if you are interested in learning Next.js, like this video and follow me on the YouTube. Thank you.